What's up guys, Amanda Ray here with the Ginger. We are here in Bradenton on the main road, SR64 East, heading straight for Fl2K Day 1, which is the roll racing. Unfortunately, the Evo is not up in time, and the roll racing event did book up pretty quickly, sold out very, very quickly actually. So we are heading to the track now to park the truck and trailer so that way we're able to get a good spot. The V is ready for the 1050 index. I think we will see. That is tomorrow. So today we're just going to enjoy, get some footage, and I really hope you guys like all this roll racing. Some of the cars here are pretty sick, so just enjoy the footage, and I'll show you some of my favorite cars that I've seen today. Alright? Mafia Racing has killer turbo Mustangs. That is insane. You want to do that to your car?
Good, how are you?
Yes. Yeah. That's insane.
The V6 making 600 horsepower. Nice. Yep.
That's crazy.
Thank you. Is it just that low or is it on air? Both of these are back and boosted on air, taken out with our turbo kit. This one here is going to be running 11.5 plus tomorrow. Okay. It's like a 104.
This is Godzilla. Godzilla is absolutely massive. Yeah.
Driving that 2013 GTR, number 12 qualifier at 176.95 miles per hour. win. Almost
188.
188.0
GTR
miles per hour.
did 99. Something happened to the
GTR
GTR.
sounds like the couple of GTRs for our next pair. This is still the Outlaw class. Oscar Morales. From Western Florida, going to be on the left-hand side. Your number 15 qualifier.
Yep.
188.
188, 183. Barely
The winners,
there.
Morales. Qualifying speed, but just not enough. For the right side.
Well, we're walking back from the roll racing. They had just started the eliminations and it started pouring yet again. Fl2K always has to have some sort of a rain spell. It's not super wet, but it's probably gonna take at least an hour or so for the track to dry, so we will be back. Alright guys, unfortunately Fl2K did get a little rained out on day one roll racing event on the eliminations. Hopefully they'll be able to pick it back up, but it was starting to sprinkle again and they had just dried the track, so we decided to opt out to go out to dinner. So we're going to call it a quits tonight. I hope you enjoy day one of Fl2K. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below for day two. I'll be posting that tomorrow night. Stay tuned.